first thing you have to do is you have to shoot through the blizzard. Once you shoot through the blizzard, go into the dead of night. Dead of night's gonna be, you know, bad, dark. It's dark. Bring like a nightlight, some books to read, like a reading light. Yep.
If you get like in between.
If you get in between.
That means you get both.
It means you went through the blizzard and it was at nighttime, so you got nicely done. After that, go through the ocean, the entire ocean. I'm not just talking about the Atlantic, I'm talking about Atlantic, Pacific, all the other stuff.
Oh,
go through all of it. The sea monsters, mermaids, a bunch of other stuff that is not very nice.
Kraken.
Lava. Self-explanatory. You don't want to step in the lava. You just want to shoot right through it. And
avoid Lava Girl.
Shark Boy's in here. Lava Girl's over here. You have to get through them. They're crazy. Then, the sun. You're going to have to go through the sun. Sun's very hot. It's like lava, except, you know, nuclear fusion and stuff. Then, the dragon's right there. Right at that plus. I'll point him out right there. That's the dragon. You got to save him. Have fun.
How do we save him by shooting him? What if we just go straight for the sun?
Well, if we go straight for the sun, then the guy from the blizzard will be really depressed. So he'll come into the sun, he'll take your arrow out, and he'll put it back in the blizzard.
Oh, no!
Exactly.
Well, which blizzard was it? Was it the Blizzard of 78 or the Blizzard of 2000?
Maybe the ice storm. The ice storm was pretty bad. I don't like the ice storm. You know, when we lost Kovacs power and you were sad because you couldn't play Xbox for 2 days? Yeah.
I usually play.
I love Xbox.
What if you get on the line?
If we get on the line, like I said earlier, you go through the blizzard and through the dark night. If you go through this line, you went through the ocean at night, which is really impressive. I don't think anyone's ever done that before, so congrats. Probably called the Guinness Book of World Records.
I did that.
Nice. So, I'll see you in the next 2016 edition of the Guinness Book of World Records. Over here, you get through this one, you go through Shark Boy and Lava Girl at the same time.
That must be awful.
Yeah, it is awful. I hate that movie. Then you have the lava and the sun, and you go right to the sun, and then you can save the dragon. So you shot the other stuff, that means you cleared a path for the dragon to get out.
Oh, I can see the path. And when it goes like that, then that.
Yep.
And then when you shoot the dragon, you cut off the ropes tying him to the sun, right?
Yeah.
Works for me.
You